What does it mean when your dog sneezes? Well, in this video, we're going to break it down step by step. An occasional sneeze or two in an otherwise happy, healthy dog is nothing to worry about. But frequent or repeated sneezing in a dog that seems unhealthy, now that should warrant a trip to the vet. Dogs can sneeze due to irritations and foreign bodies that they inhale into their nose. They will often sniff around, and this is actually the body's way to naturally expel them. They may also sneeze due to, inhaled allergens such as grass and pollen. Dogs can also have nasal mites that cause sneezing and sometimes nasal discharge. They are transmitted from nose-to-nose contact with other dogs. Fortunately, they are not very common and are easily treated once they are found. Now, viral, bacterial, and fungal infections can cause sneezing as well. Other things that can cause sneezing include teeth problems or nasal tumors. Sneezing can be a calming signal for dogs, just like them licking their lips and yawning. But finally, sneezing can be due to an excitement, bug bites, or rolling around on the floor. If your dog is sneezing frequently and is acting ill, then maybe it's time to take a trip to the vet. However, these are the following signs that your dog needs to see a vet. Sneezing and nasal discharge that persists for more than just a few days. The amount of sneezing and nasal discharge actually increases. Color and consistency of the natural discharge changes. For example, it goes from clear in color and a liquid kind of form to a yellowish green color and has mucus consistency. Rubbing the nose or pawing at the face. Sneezing and nasal discharge accompanied by other signs of illnesses. For example, yellow/green eye discharge, coughing, decreased appetite, vomiting, or just an overall lethargic pet. Now, let's talk about some treatment of sneezing for nasal discharge in dogs. If your dog has nasal discharge, antibiotics and appetite stimulants and or fluids may actually be required. Now, if your pet also has deceased teeth, those may also be extracted as well. Surgery could also be required for the removal of tumors or foreign bodies. But overall, if your dog is just sneezing once in a while, there's nothing to really be worried about. It's when those other symptoms and other warning signs are now starting to occur, that's when it might be time to take your loved furry friend to the vet. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. We're going to be dropping videos every single day here on this channel, all about our furry friends, and you do not want to miss it. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.